Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelna Similis. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. And to my family, welcome back. So today we're gonna be talking about, as you guys can see, I'm wearing a red blazer today. So we're gonna talk about how to style or how I style a red blazer 5 ways. Okay. So, as you can see, my blazer is from Zara. That's where I got it. Eventually, we'll do a Zara haul, but for right now, we're just gonna do a stylist on the red blazer. Okay, how to style it 5 ways. Um, so if you like me, I do like a red blazer, and I do like red also. So that red blazer, I'm pretty much shopping from my closet. So you don't need to go shopping. If you have a red blazer in your closet, you could take it out and just play around with different colors. Right now, nowadays you could wear red with anything, almost anything. So you could take your red blazer and shop in your closet and try different outfit and see how it looks. Look at yourself in the mirror and see how it works. Okay, so this is just my opinion. Like I said, those are the things from my closet, my opinion, the different ways so far that I style this red blazer. So we're gonna talk about this red blazer a lot, so you're gonna hear about red blazer. So my first outfit with the red blazer is like a business attire look, which is more like I have a white pants on, white t-shirt, and then I pair it with a white heel. So it looks more like a business attire, or for those of us that goes to church, you could also wear that to church. And so you guys will let me know how you like the all white and with the red blazer. And the next look, the second look, is a nude dress that I bought from TJ Maxx. I had it in my closet. I've never wear it, so I decided to pair it with the red blazer, and it looks good in my opinion. So red blazer, like say for example you're going on a date with your husband, your boyfriend, you could just put the nude dress on and put the red blazer. It looks more, it's depending where you're going. Just like a classy look. And I'll also pair it with a nude heel, like a sandal, and a black mini purse. That's the second look. And my third look is like a business, also a business attire and a church attire. It's with the black skirt and a white top. And the black skirt, I got it from Goodwill. And the white top, and of course, my red blazer. We're gonna see that. And then my fourth look, it's with a navy dress that I pair it with a navy dress and a multicolor shoes, because the navy dress is more plain. So put the red blazer and then you just add some more colors with the red shoes. Makes it look a little classy. And my fifth look, it's a casual look. Say for example you were out with your kids and somebody say, oh, let's go grab a drink. During the day you could just call someone and grab you the red blazer, and you put your red blazer on, which I pair with a jean. and a white top, and my heel, which is I believe it's a Steve Madden is pointy toe shoes. So it looks really nice. Kind of the red blazer is a way to elevate your look, you could say. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Like I said, those are my opinion. There's so many different ways you could style a red blazer. And thank you so much for watching. If you do like this type of videos, please like and subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you guys think. This is new for me, so I'm just trying something new. Um, just other examples, whatever videos you guys want me to do, let me know. I could do that, and I could try to come up with different ideas also. So thank you so much for watching, and like I said, this is new for me, so it's gonna take a little bit of time for me to get used to it. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. So please let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you. Thank you.